Apple enthusiasts are eagerly anticipating the next release in the budget-friendly lineup, and the upcoming iPhone SE 4 has certainly captured attention. Rumors and leaks suggest that Apple is gearing up to introduce a refreshed version of its most affordable smartphone, possibly renaming it as the iPhone 16e. The excitement comes from the fact that this device is expected to receive a much-needed upgrade, both in terms of design and performance, while still maintaining its lower price point compared to flagship models. The current iPhone SE model has started disappearing from stores, signaling that Apple is making way for something new. One of the biggest criticisms of the existing model is its outdated look, which still features thick bezels and a physical home button, reminiscent of older iPhones. However, the new version is rumored to be inspired by the iPhone 14, featuring a modern edge-to-edge display with a notch. This change alone makes it look significantly more premium and aligns it with the rest of Apple's lineup. Performance is another area where Apple seems to be making a major leap. Reports indicate that the new model could be equipped with 8 GB of random access memory, a substantial upgrade from its predecessor. This increase in memory is expected to support Apple Intelligence, the company's latest artificial intelligence-driven system designed to enhance the overall user experience. While this technology is still evolving, its inclusion in the iPhone SE 4 ensures that users will get a smarter and more responsive device capable of handling advanced tasks more efficiently. Perhaps one of the most interesting aspects of this device is Apple's decision to integrate its own in-house cellular modem. For years, Apple has relied on Qualcomm for modem technology. This move suggests that the company is aiming for more independence. If successful, this could pave the way for Apple to completely phase out third-party modems in future iPhones. However, since this is a first-generation modem developed in-house, there are some uncertainties regarding its real-world performance. Qualcomm's modems have been refined over the years, so Apple has a lot to prove with its alternative. Camera technology is another factor that has sparked discussion. Unlike many budget smartphones that now feature multiple cameras, Apple appears to be sticking to a single lens setup. While Apple's image processing software is among the best in the industry, some users may find it disappointing that the company is not adding an additional sensor for ultra-wide or telephoto shots. However, Apple has always focused on optimizing image quality through software rather than hardware, so the camera experience is still expected to be impressive. Price is one of the biggest concerns surrounding the new iPhone SE 4. The SE series has historically been known for offering an affordable way to own an iPhone without paying flagship prices. However, with the upgraded design, increased memory, and new modem technology, many believe that a price increase is inevitable. Apple has not yet confirmed any details, but if the cost rises significantly, it might push some potential buyers to consider older flagship models instead. Despite these concerns, early reactions from the public suggest that many users see this as a worthy upgrade. Some iPhone owners, particularly those using an iPhone 12 or iPhone 13, are considering this model as a more cost-effective alternative to the iPhone 16. Are we finally on the verge of the official One UI 7 release? For the past few months, Samsung users have been eagerly waiting for the next big software update, but only Galaxy S24 series owners have had access to the beta version. Meanwhile, millions of other users have been stuck on Android 14 with One UI 6.1, watching from the sidelines, but the long wait might be ending very soon. Samsung has not officially announced an exact release date, but several signs indicate that the update could arrive in the next few days. One of the biggest clues comes from the upcoming launch of the Galaxy S25 series. These new flagship devices will ship with One UI 7 pre-installed, and they are set to go on sale worldwide on February 7. It is highly likely that Samsung has been holding back the stable One UI 7 release to avoid shifting attention away from the Galaxy S25 series launch. Once the new devices are in the hands of consumers, Samsung might finally roll out the update for other eligible Galaxy smartphones. Another major hint is the stability of the latest One UI 7 beta for the Galaxy S24 lineup. The final beta versions are performing smoothly, which suggests that Samsung has completed most of the testing and fine-tuning required before making the update available to everyone. Additionally, there have been reports claiming that Samsung plans to begin the rollout in the first half of February. If these leaks are accurate, then users might not have to wait much longer. One UI 7 is one of the biggest updates Samsung has released in recent years. It brings significant improvements in speed, security, and overall usability. While Samsung has yet to provide a full list of changes, the beta versions have already given us a preview of what to expect. Users can look forward to a smoother interface, new customization options, and several performance optimizations designed to make devices feel more responsive. However, not all features will be available for every device. The Galaxy S25 series will come with some exclusive features that won't be included in the update for older models. Two of the standout additions are now Brief and Audio Eraser. Now Brief is a smarter notification system that helps users manage alerts more efficiently, while Audio Eraser is a powerful tool that allows users to remove background noise from recordings. These features will be exclusive to the Galaxy S25 lineup, meaning they won't be available for the Galaxy S24 series or other older Galaxy devices. If you own a Galaxy smartphone and have been eagerly waiting for One UI 7, now is the time to stay alert. Samsung may begin pushing out the update any day now. When the rollout begins, users will likely receive a notification prompting them to download and install the update. However, as with all major software releases, the update will probably be released in phases. This means that while some users might receive it immediately, others may have to wait a little longer, depending on their device model and region. To check if your device is eligible for One UI 7, go to your phone's settings, navigate to Software Update, and tap Download and Install. If the update is available for your device, you'll see an option to download it. If not, don't worry. Samsung usually rolls out updates gradually, so keep checking regularly. With One UI 7, Samsung is bringing a more refined and polished experience to its users. Whether it's the improved performance, enhanced security, or new software features, this update is set to make a noticeable difference in everyday use. While it has taken longer than expected, it's clear that Samsung has been working hard to deliver a stable and feature-rich update. If you found this update helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more news on the latest technology. Stay tuned and we'll catch you in the next video. Can a smartphone truly compete with high-end gaming devices? That's exactly what Samsung set out to prove with its latest powerhouse, the Galaxy S25 Ultra. And what better way to showcase its capabilities than with a high-stakes Call of Duty mobile tournament? On January 25, Samsung hosted the third #PlayGalaxy Cup in San Francisco, bringing together some of the most skilled mobile gamers and top video game streamers. The event featured a fierce competition between two elite esports teams, Tribe Gaming and Luminosity Gaming. These players didn't just rely on their skills. They were armed with Samsung's latest flagship, the Galaxy S25 Ultra, along with Galaxy Buds 3 earbuds and JBL Quantum One headphones for an immersive audio experience. The energy at the venue was electric. More than 250 fans packed the arena, watching every intense battle unfold on a massive screen at the center. For those who couldn't be there in person, the entire event was streamed live on YouTube and Twitch, giving a global audience a front row seat to the action. But this event wasn't just about competition, it was a statement. Samsung wanted to prove that the Galaxy S25 Ultra is not just another smartphone. It's a device built for high-performance gaming, and they had the specs to back it up. The Galaxy S25 Ultra runs on Qualcomm's most advanced chipset, the Snapdragon 8 Elite, making it one of the fastest smartphones on the market. But power isn't just about raw processing speed. Samsung also introduced a 40% larger vapor chamber, which means significantly improved cooling. This ensures that even during long gaming sessions, the device stays cool and maintains peak performance without lag. Call of Duty Mobile is known for pushing hardware to its limits. It's one of the most demanding mobile games, requiring both a powerful processor and excellent graphics optimization. Thanks to the Vulkan optimization and the capabilities of the Snapdragon 8 Elite, the Galaxy S25 Ultra delivered a smooth gaming experience with console-level visuals. Every detail, from the realistic environments to the fast-paced action, was displayed with stunning clarity. One of the biggest challenges for mobile gamers is maintaining consistent frame rates during intense gameplay. Lag or overheating can make the difference between victory and defeat. But at this tournament, the Galaxy S25 Ultra performed flawlessly, showing no signs of slowdowns even under the pressure of competitive play. Samsung didn't stop at just showcasing the phone's performance. They also set up a hands-on experience at the venue, allowing fans to try out the Galaxy S25 Ultra for themselves. Attendees got to experience firsthand how smooth the gameplay felt, how responsive the controls were, and just how immersive mobile gaming can be on a device this powerful. This event raised an interesting question. Can smartphones like the Galaxy S25 Ultra replace traditional game consoles? With hardware getting more advanced each year and mobile games becoming more sophisticated, the gap between mobile and console gaming is shrinking. The ability to play high-quality games on a device that fits in your pocket is something that was unimaginable a few years ago. Of course, there are still some differences. Consoles and gaming PCs offer dedicated hardware with larger screens, more powerful GPUs, and physical controllers.